Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to turn off Talkback mode. When Talkback is enabled to navigate in the menu, swipe up or down with 2 fingers. To select, tap once and confirm selection with double tap. Tap on settings to select and double tap to enter settings. Scroll and tap on accessibility feature. Tap on accessibility. Tap on Talkback menu. To disable Talkback, tap the switch once to select and double tap to move the switch to off. Tap OK button twice to confirm Talkback stop. If my video was helpful, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching and I wish you a nice day.